Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Bumble dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble app on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the continue with Facebook or the use your phone number option. Go ahead and tap on either one of these options and you will be asked to enter your phone number in order to start signing up for your account. Just type in your phone number within the given box and then proceed forward, and you will be asked to verify using a verification code. Tap on the OK button and now you will receive a text message which contains the verification code. After you enter this verification code within the given box, you will be asked to allow your location service. Proceed with allowing the access for your location, and then you also have the option to allow notifications. You will then be asked to enter your first name as well as your date of birth. Type in your first name followed by your date of birth and then proceed forward, and you will be asked to confirm your age. Then choose your gender and proceed forward once again, and you will be asked whether you want to show your gender within your profile. After choosing your option, proceed forward once again, and you will be asked to enter your email address, and you will be asked to choose within the date as well as BFF mode. Choose your preferred option and proceed forward, and then choose who you are open to dating. Finally, choose your relationship goals and then enter your physical details. Once you fill up various different information about your account, you will be asked to upload a profile picture. You can either use your Facebook or Instagram account, and you can also upload one from your galleries. You can add multiple photos if you wish, and once you are done uploading your photos, you can also connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. After finalizing your profile, you will then be taken into your newly created account, and you will immediately be able to start swiping left or right. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Bumble. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.